Hey guys, welcome to my kitchen, the Power Plans kitchen. Today in this video is all about smoothies because for me and for many other people, they are a lifesaver. Just like that dry shampoo for a woman when you don't have time to wash your hair. The cute little sundress that you just pick out because you don't have anything else to wear or it's all dirty. Because with your nutrition, sometimes you have an empty fridge, you're running late, or you kind of haven't been eating that great and you need to cram in a lot of nutrition. A smoothie is gonna save your life. But smoothies in general kind of get a bad rep because they're full of sugar. And I kind of know this. I actually used to work at a smoothie place, my first job, and all the smoothies on the menu had frozen yogurt in them, except for one. So smoothies can technically have a lot of sugar in it, but today I'm going to show you how to, he has to fit in the video, how to hunk up your smoothies, hunk it up with a full nutritional profile. So that means it has fats, it has protein, and it has those healthy carbs for a full balanced meal. There's three things that I care about, and I think everybody cares about when they're making a smoothie. Number one, it has to taste good. If you watch any of my videos, you know that I have to make it taste good, as well as my Power Plans meal plans. The texture has to be right because you're drinking it. So people have like a weird texture thing, so it has to have a good texture. And number three, it has to be nutritious. That's the reason we're showing this on the YouTube channel. So what makes up the smoothie is very important. So the way that you hit all those 3 points for a killer hunky smoothie is, number one, your base. That's gonna be the liquid, what you put in the blender first. Depending on what type of smoothie that you wanna make, it's either gonna be water, some kind of juice product, some kind of milk product that can be dairy or non-dairy. I have coconut milk here. And the proportion that you're gonna add to your smoothie is about 1 cup. That's gonna make 1 serving of a smoothie. Next, we're gonna go into the bulk of the smoothie, the goods part of it. That's where most of your nutrition is in the smoothie. So in that layer, I like to add 1 cup of something frozen. So a big hack to the texture of your smoothie is to have the right proportion of frozen ingredients in a smoothie. So one of my favorite things to add is bananas. These are frozen. A frozen veggie. I like to freeze spinach or any kind of spring mix because you honestly don't taste it, and then it's an extra serving of veggies in your smoothie. Some other fun things to add would be some steamed beets. And a huge part of my smoothies is adding a protein component. And I like Ascent protein, unflavored. You can add in any type of smoothie. It's not gonna change the flavor. It's just gonna ramp up that protein content, but if you want like a chocolate or a vanilla, more distinct flavor, you'd use those kinds of protein powders. Number three is what I like to call the finisher. So that's gonna finish your smoothie with all those nutrients that you need. Most importantly, it has fat in this finisher layer. So hemp seeds, peanut butter, coconut oil. If you use coconut milk for your base, that's gonna include the fat portion. What fat does in a smoothie is actually help you absorb the nutrients in the green veggies. So you do wanna always pair your smoothie with fat. Also, little fun extras, you can add some lion's mane mushrooms, some turmeric for anti-inflammatory properties, some electrolytes, anything that you normally kind of know that you need to take in a supplement, maybe, I was really mumbling. Anything that you know that you need to be taking in your supplement regimen or, kind of been slacking at, you can just throw it in a smoothie. That's really the beauty of it. You're just throwing things in and it's nutritious. Drink it quickly, done. I'm gonna share with you, I'm gonna give you a couple examples how you can build your smoothies from the things that I just showed you. So if you're in like a light fruity mood, you're gonna start with the orange juice or water base. You're gonna add in frozen berries, maybe half of banana, definitely frozen spinach because we want those greens, maybe a beet, little thumb portion of turmeric, and lastly, the coconut oil for the fat. So that's a perfect light and fruity smoothie. The other one, if you want it like, creamy, thick, delicious, a little bit more hearty, I would use regular milk or coconut milk as the base. I'd still throw in a banana and the spinach because why not? Chocolate protein powder or a flavored protein powder, maybe some hemp seeds. Top it all off. Let's recap. Smoothies don't have to be these sugar-laden, completely treat kind of drinks. They can actually be a real wholesome meal that covers all your macronutrients. They save time, use up things in your fridge or your freezer, so they're really, really convenient. They're really, really convenient, which is a huge bonus. They're really, really convenient, and oh my God, forget it. It's literally throw a bunch of stuff that you should be eating into a blender, make sure there's something cold in there, or add a cup of ice, and you're done. That's it. That's a smoothie for you. I like to program smoothies in my power plans, meal plans a lot because they're super convenient, they save time, and when you're meal prepping, it's one less thing that you have to cook. So if you want more recipes like this, more than I can put on YouTube, check out Power Plans Nutrition. All that info can be found below, and don't forget to subscribe so I can make more videos for you. Goodbye.